Our program is extremely unique and innovative. We've had an opportunity to build this program from the ground up using best evidence in medical curriculum design and development. For example, we have early clinical experiences where our students are oriented in the first week of school. We have a white coat ceremony in the second week, and in the third week, we have them out in chiropractic offices observing chiropractic practices. We have a wonderful network of local chiropractors who work with us to offer opportunities for our students to observe practices in their clinics. And by this means, we have an opportunity to create a longitudinal clinical experience for our students right from the very first semester throughout their program here. We have very small classes, and that gives us an opportunity to really get to know our students well. And we've been very fortunate to attract excellent students with high GPA and tremendous backgrounds, a wide variety of backgrounds, all very passionate about healthcare and working in the chiropractic profession. We've had an opportunity to integrate our clinical and basic sciences in a very unique way. We emphasize case-based learning in our program so that right from the very beginning, students in our basic science courses like biochemistry and physiology will study cases that illustrate the biochemical or physiological principles they're learning, but in a way that relates it to contemporary chiropractic practice. Our program is also evidence-based. That means we emphasize critical thinking among our students and use that critical thinking skill to create a clinical reasoning model for them. This is something that is very important in today's healthcare, where decisions can be made that are based on good evidence and with accountability for good health outcomes as well.